Hey Rohan, welcome back to English Explorers. How are you doing today?
Hey Maya, I'm doing great, thanks. You?
I'm good too. So, today we're diving into our English learning journey. I know we both started from a similar place, but where are we now?
Absolutely. I remember when I first started, I was so nervous about speaking. I felt like I was always going to make mistakes.
Me too. I remember being afraid to even order food in a restaurant, but now I feel much more confident. I'm not perfect, but I'm not afraid to try anymore.
That's a great point. What strategies have you found most helpful?
I think the biggest thing for me was finding a comfortable way to practice. I started listening to podcasts and watching English movies with subtitles. Then, I slowly started trying to speak more, even if it was just with myself.
I've been doing something similar. I've been trying to read more English books and articles, and I've also been trying to engage in more conversations with native English speakers.
That's awesome. It's all about immersion, right? And what about vocabulary? How do you guys learn new words?
I use flashcards, and I also try to write down new words I encounter in my reading, and then use them in sentences.
I like to use apps that help me learn vocabulary. It makes it more fun and interactive.
Speaking of fun, have you noticed any cultural differences between your English and the native speakers?
Definitely. I've learned that some phrases mean different things depending on the context.
True. And the way people talk and interact is also very different.
It's all part of the learning process, right?
Absolutely. And it's also really rewarding to see how much we've improved.
I agree. So, what are your goals for the future?
I want to be able to have a natural conversation with a native English speaker without feeling nervous.
Me too. And I also want to be able to understand English news and movies without subtitles.
That's a great goal. I think we're both on the right track.
I agree. So, what should we talk about next time?
Maybe we can talk about our favorite English movies or books.
Sounds good. Thanks for joining me on English Explorers, Rohan.
My pleasure, Maya. See you next time.